Pew Research has discovered that people who pray regularly experience a greater flow of good in their life. They have deeper connections with others, with themselves, and good things happen. And I'd like to share with you a method, a technique that you can apply in your life so that you can experience greater good in your life, so that you can find more strength to move through challenges, where you can reduce stress and you can watch great things unfold in your life. So basically, I'd like you to find a place to sit down, and if you're able to sit down, otherwise just listen and apply it later. Find a place to sit down, preferably a chair, and sit upright. You want to sit upright because you want your energy to begin to flow upward. When we feel positive, when we feel enthusiastic, our energy moves up. Whenever you have a positive attitude, your energy goes up. When people feel good, what do they say? They say, I feel on top of the world. I feel uplifted. I feel up today. Contrary, when people are not feeling good, when they're upset, depressed, sad, angry, what do they tend to do? They tend to hunch, they tend to look down, they tend to say, I feel in the dumps, I feel low. So we want to sit upright so your energy can flow up. And now we're going to relax the body. We want to relax the body so that the mind can become calm and still. We want to become calm and still so that we can tune in to this incredible source and power within us so that we can allow good to unfold in our life. Jesus said the kingdom of God is within you, and it's the Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. So what we're going to do now is learn how to tune into that inner kingdom so that it can unfold in miraculous ways in our world, in our life. So you're sitting upright, and now we want to relax the body by taking a long, deep breath. Tense every muscle in your body, throw your breath out, and let your body relax. Here we go. Breathing in. Tense every muscle in your body, throw your breath out, and relax. Bringing your chin to your chest to let your body relax is a great way of doing it. And let's do it one more time. Breathing in. Tense every muscle, chin to the chest, relax. Throw your breath out. Good. Now you can do that 3 to 6 times to really help yourself relax and let go. Now, once you've done that, doing some deep breathing also will help you begin to relax more fully and to start to become calm within yourself. Remember, you're tuning in to this energy that's inside of you, to your higher power, your spirit. And so whatever you can do to relax and get calm. So now, a great practice is to do what's called even count breathing. You breathe into a certain number, you hold that number, and then you exhale to that number. So we're going to breathe in, for instance, to the count of 6. We're going to hold 6, then we're going to exhale 6. So join me now, breathing into a count of 6. Hold. Exhale. Good. Now do that 3 to 6 times to help get rid of carbon in the system and to create greater sense of calmness within yourself, relaxing your body more. So once you've done that, you've relaxed your body, you've taken the deep breaths. Now I want you to mentally scan your body again and notice, is there any part of your body that is still a little tense? And what I want you to do is just tense that part of your body and relax and let go. Let's say your shoulders. Well, your shoulders feel a little tense, then tighten them and then relax, and you'll notice them starting to relax. Good. So now you're a little calmer, your body's a little more relaxed. Now we're going to start to focus the mind. The mind normally, for most people, is all over the place. We're very outer oriented, we're very focused on that. What we're trying to do now is tune into energy, the energy of our own being, right? So that means we start turning inside. He said, when you pray, go into your inner chamber and shut the door and pray to your Father who is in secret. whatever you call that presence, Father, Mother, God, Spirit, whatever the name is, it's a presence. It's energy, consciousness, everywhere present, including expressing as you. So now we want to use the tool of our breath. Your breath is always there. It's always happening, whether you think about it or not. But the difference is we're going to focus on it now. We're going to take our awareness from being all over the place, out here, thinking about this and thinking about that, to bringing it to the breath. And then what's going to happen is, now that you're focusing it on the breathing, we want you to feel your breath moving in and out of your nasal passages. You're not controlling the breath. Your breath is flowing in, and then your breath is flowing out naturally, as it always is doing. But now you're focusing on it. You're feeling it move in and out of your nasal passages. If that's tough for you, then just feel the rising and falling of your chest. Feel the chest rise as you inhale, feel it fall as you exhale. And then when you can, try to feel it in your nasal passages. What's going to happen, as with everyone, your mind's going to wander. You're going to be like, what am I going to eat? What's coming up? You'll think of a problem. Something will come into your mind. Why? Because we're always thinking. We're addicted to thinking. We're addicted to our thoughts. What we're trying to do now is to get out of our thoughts and tune into our energy self, our spiritual self, our higher power, the source. So when your mind wanders from focusing on the breath, just bring it back to your breath. Mind wanders, bring it back to the breath. And just do it over and over and over. The fact that your mind wanders doesn't mean you're not going to tune into your inner energy. You are. But it takes practice. It takes practice. The fact that you're willing and you're making the effort is enough to allow the miracle power of spirit to unfold in your life. All right? So you relax your body, you did some deep breathing, you started to get calm, and now you started to watch your breath, concentrating your mind. Good. Do that for a little while. And then, after that point, you're just going to let go of watching your breath, and you're just going to be present to whatever you might be feeling inside yourself. You're going to be present to what feelings might be emerging. You're going to be present. If you see light, sometimes people see light within their being. As they start to get calm and quiet, they might see light. Be present to the light. You're not trying to see anything. You're not trying to change anything. You're just being present to what shows up. If nothing shows up, that's fine too. So first of all, I suggest you check your heart and see, what am I feeling? Maybe you're feeling peace. Maybe you're feeling calmness. Maybe you're feeling joy. Maybe you have an inner knowing of some kind. Maybe you're seeing light. Maybe you hear sounds. Whatever it is, just focus on it, because what happens is that takes you deeper into yourself. It attunes you more to that inner energy that's inside of you. And the key is to watch your breath for about 50% of the time, and then sit in the quiet 25% of the time, right? So relax the body, focus your mind, and then let go of that focus and just tune in to whatever you're feeling or whatever's going on inside of you. Now, what will happen is you have tuned in to this kingdom that's within you. You have tuned into your higher power, your spiritual nature. Just that alone reduces stress. Just that alone enhances well-being, right? If nothing else. But what's going to happen is, as you regularly do this, and then you move forth into your life from a state of trusting that now God, now Spirit is going to unfold in your life in wonderful ways. Now you start to notice good things happening in your life. As you make this a daily practice, and you can't stop there though. We got to have an attitude of expectation that, okay, good unfolds in my life because I'm in tune. You got to have that attitude. You can't just take this time and then go out and be all stressed out and negative and judgmental and critical and all that. That doesn't work. You don't want to cancel out this time in the quiet. So once you've taken this time, this is the key. This is the real secret key for you, the secret hack to having miraculous things happen in your life, is by tuning into that energy inside of you. And now go forth with a believing attitude. Go forth with an attitude that expects good to unfold in your life, that expects great things to happen in your life. You do this regularly every day. I say start out 2 or 3 minutes. We spent 10 minutes or so explaining this to you, but you can do this whole process in 2 or 3 minutes. Do 2 or 3 minutes every day or more, and go forth in your day trusting, expecting good, and you're going to see great things happen in your life. You're going to see yourself have strength through difficult times. You're going to see yourself being guided. You're going to see things synchronistically happening, and all kinds of good can come into your life as you seek to attune yourself to this presence, this energy that's inside of you.